Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to send Steam digital gift cards. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you can do this in the web browser version of Steam, or you can do it just on the Steam client itself. I'm signed in, and in the upper left side of the screen, you can see where the Steam gift cards are available. Or you can click it right here. Gift cards now available on Steam. If that option does not appear in the upper left, you can go to the search bar right here and just type in gift cards and they will pop up. Go ahead and select them now. Now it'll bring you to this page and you can send a gift card to one of your friends. So let's go to send through Steam, located right here. Let's select this option. Now choose the amount you want to send to a friend. You can go from $5 all the way up to $100. Let's just select the $5 version right here. Then it'll bring you to this page where you can see all your friends on your Steam account. Now there is one caveat here. If you recently became friends with someone, you have to wait 3 days before you can send them a gift card. So let's select someone on here and then go to continue. Then you have to type in their name. So let's go with this. Then you have to type in a small message. Hey, then you can choose your sentiment. Let's just choose you owe me and then put in your signature, Timbo. Then go to continue. Then you have to type in your credit card information. Otherwise, you can use PayPal as well. So here's the PayPal option. Then there's different credit cards on here on the right side of the screen. Just go ahead and select them. And then go on down to continue. And then it will bring you to the purchase screen where you'll see the amount. And then all you have to do is press purchase and it will send the funds over to that person. So it's very easy to go ahead and send your friend Steam digital gift cards. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.